Audi MLB 2023 plus key programming secrets every technician must know. Hi everyone, this is Hussein, and welcome back to Baabji Motors, your ultimate hub for everything about car diagnostics, programming tools, and the latest tech for your vehicles. Before we dive in, a quick note. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. Everything you'll see here is meant to guide technicians, learners, and auto enthusiasts. We stick to fair use rules, and all trademarks belong to their respective owners. Always follow manufacturer guidelines and local laws when working on vehicles. Now, let me ask you, have you ever tried programming a key for a 2023 plus Audi MLB system and hit a wall? If yes, you know the struggle is real. And if not, well, today you're about to learn something that can save hours of headache. So here's the challenge. Let's hit 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments in the next 24 hours, and don't forget to hype this video in the comments. It's a free, fun way to push this video up the charts. And hey, if this video teaches you something valuable, show some love with a super thanks. All right, let's jump right in. For technicians working with VW and Audi MLB systems, most aftermarket devices are currently capable only of adding a key. The usual process starts with disassembling the customer's original key. Then, using MLB tools such as the Zorse VVDI MLB tool, Keydiy MLB tool, or Keydiy MLB tool, you read and calculate the CS, component security, from the original key. This process works for vehicles like the Volkswagen Touareg, Porsche models, and various Audi models. Once the CS is successfully calculated, this data allows you to generate a dealer key that can normally be learned to the vehicle. However, things change for MLB vehicles from 2023 onwards. While you can still calculate the CS data from an existing key, this data can no longer be used to directly learn a new key onto the vehicle using aftermarket tools. The process is now more restricted, which means your usual workflow needs a tweak. You can still generate a key, but the learning step has to involve either OEM equipment or a special workaround. So, how do you program keys for post-2023 MLB ODIS? There are two main methods. Method 1. Start by recording all the original key IDs from the vehicle. Next, use either a brand new OEM key with an uninitialized ID, FFFFFFF, or an aftermarket MLB key that allows ID modification. You generate the key using the ID of the customer's lost key. Once this is done, you need to use the manufacturer's official equipment, ODIS, to perform the key learning process. This ensures the key is properly recognized by the car's system and avoids any future errors. Method 2. Another method involves unlocking the SFD, which stands for Sicherheit-Fahrbereitschaft or Security Vehicle Readiness. Once the SFD gateway is unlocked, you get a limited 30-minute window to perform key learning using MLB devices like the VVDI2, KeyTool Plus, or KDX4. For example, some technicians have provided SFD unlock tokens via third-party communication channels. After unlocking, the new key's ID must match the lost key's ID. Using the CS and password data read from the original key, you can then generate a dealer key. One key point here is that you cannot arbitrarily create a key with a random ID. The system enforces strict ID matching for security. In short, post-2023 Audi MLB vehicles require either official OEM learning tools or an SFD unlock workflow, with strict attention to key IDs and CS data. This is a significant change from pre-2023 models and something every technician should be aware of to avoid wasted time or failed programming attempts. So what's the takeaway? Always check the model year, verify the CS data, and understand the limitations of your aftermarket tools. Using OEM equipment or properly unlocked SFD tokens ensures the process is smooth and error-free. And remember, only keys with changeable IDs can be used to replace lost keys on these newer vehicles. Thanks for sticking around till the end. Personally, I think this new procedure is a smart step by Audi to increase vehicle security, though it definitely raises the bar for technicians. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you tried programming a 2023 plus Audi MLB key yet? Share your experience in the comments. Here's a fun fact. Did you know some MLB systems can store up to 8 keys per vehicle, each with unique encryption, making key cloning a real challenge? Before you go, don't forget our challenge. 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments in 24 hours. Hype this video in the comments. Subscribe if you haven't, and hit that super thanks button if you found this guide helpful. Keep learning, keep exploring, and, as always, happy diagnosing.